What if I told you that you could earn up to $936 or more per day online just by speaking in your native language?
Is that even possible?
Trust me, it's very possible, and the good part is that this money-making opportunity is available worldwide. It doesn't matter if you are from India, Brazil, or Germany, you can make money from the comfort of your home anywhere in the world. So each time you speak in your native language or translate a transcript to another language, you get paid. It's that simple. If you can say 300 words in Spanish, you make $36, another 300 words in Irish, you get paid another $36. And if you can speak up to 26 languages a day, you can earn up to $936 or more. I know some of you might say,
I don't speak the language.
now don't you worry, I have you covered. If you watch this video until the end, I will show you a tool that allows you to speak not 10, but up to more than 100 languages. Hence more money for you. As a matter of fact, how much you want to earn on this website is totally up to you, for there is no limit. You can do this on your phone, laptop, or desktop.
Exactly how you do that.
You know, I'm glad you asked me that. And I will be happy to tell you how. But you're all gonna have to listen up. Because this is where it gets complicated.
And that is why I want you to watch this video until the end, so that you don't miss up on the sign-up process, because most people get it wrong. Before we start making money, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you each time we upload a new video on how to make money online. And if at all you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment for any suggestions or opinions, because we always appreciate hearing from you, our viewers. Now let's get it on. But before I show you the name of this website, check this out. You can see that all jobs on this website are totally free, which means that you don't have to pay a dime to get hired. And look at this, you can earn as much as you want if you put in the work, of course, and you can work from anywhere at your own time whenever you feel like. And to top it off, you don't need any special skills whatsoever. But you see, the funny thing is that
Some people can't handle success. I can.
now I want you to open up your browser and head over to this website called talentdesire.com. Right on this website, you can see that it's super easy to get started here. All you have to do is explore some jobs, get hired, start work, and make money. You will see that as you scroll down, they offer quite a number of jobs to choose from. Starting with online proofreading, freelance blogging, affiliate marketing, language translation, and many more. But we are going to focus on the easiest of them all, and that is language translation. With the tools we have in our arsenal, we are surely bound to make it rain. So right on language translation jobs, I want you to click on this button that says more. Once you click on it, it is going to bring you over to this page where you can get more information on how to get started with language translation jobs online. You can also see the least amount of money one can make a year, and I mean the lowest amount you can make if you are being lazy, of course, and that is $8,100 to $32,400. Like we said earlier in this video, the amount of money you can make on this website is entirely up to you. And if you scroll down, you will see that they break down their payment method based on your level, starting from beginner, intermediate, professional, all the way up to expert. As you can see, the higher your qualification is, the more you are going to earn. But again, you might ask a question saying, hey, wait a minute. I thought you said that I don't need any special skills? And yes, you don't. Why? Well, I wanted to make it as easy as possible for you to make money online, so I went ahead and did all the research on your behalf on tools you will need to earn as much as an expert with zero skills. All that is required from you is to copy and paste some text. I mean, it can't get any easier than that. Now, as a beginner, you are only expected to be making about $9 per 300 words you translate. So don't skip any part of this video, because I'm going to reveal to you some of the most important tools that will allow you to earn more money, even if you are just starting out as a beginner. And as you go down, you will also see that the only skills they expect you to have are some basic knowledge of the internet and English, as well as some writing skills. But trust me, you don't need that either, because I will show you some tools that will do all the writing for you, all the spelling checks for you, and all you have to do is sit back, doze off, and collect your earnings as they flood your bank account endlessly.
It sounds like a get-rich-quick scheme.
Yes, thank you. You will get rich quick. We all will.
Now, once you have read through and you feel like you are ready to fill up your wallet with lots of cash, I want you to click on this red button that says apply now. And once you do that, you will land on this page, scroll down until you see where it says select an application form. Click on that, and you will be led to this page, where you will see two forms. One is an online application and the other is an offline application. The online application is very simple to fill up and submit, but if you choose the offline application, it comes with its advantages in the sense that, right upon submission of the application, you can also include two important documents that will allow you to start getting paid on an expert level immediately. And these are your resume and your academic transcript. I know some of you might say,
What the heck is that?
now just wait a second before you click away from this video. Remember, I told you right from the start that I have you covered and I'm not going to leave you hanging whatsoever. So the question is, how do we get a resume and an academic transcript? Simple, we'll start with the resume. I want you to open up your browser and head over to this website called resumenow.com, and I want you to click on the first link that comes up. And once you do that, you will find yourself on the home page of the Resume Now website, and here is where you can create a quick and professional looking resume with step-by-step guidance. As you scroll down, you will also see that they allow you to create from scratch, or you can choose already made templates that you can customize to your liking. And don't worry, most of the things are already written for you. All you have to do is change some dates, names, and you are good to go. Once you are done, you will see an option that allows you to download your resume either as a PDF file or Microsoft Word document, which you can later on submit together with your application and start earning as an expert. For your next document, which is the academic transcript, I want you to head over to this website called pdffiller.com. As you can see, there are lots of things you can do right on this website. As you scroll down, you will see some of the many features they have to offer. To get started on this website, you can sign up for free, and the good part is that they allow you to sign up using your Google account, Facebook, or your Apple account, which makes the sign-up process much easier. Once you have created an account, you can now get an academic transcript form, which you can easily fill up with your personal information and download it as a PDF file. And boom.
Problemo solved.
Now that you have the two documents ready, let us head back to talentdesire.com and get paid. So if you are going to use the offline application form, make sure you include the two documents you downloaded when submitting the application. Let me now show you the easiest way to sign up. This time around, instead of choosing the offline application, we are going to choose the online application. Once you click on the online application, you are going to land on this page. Scroll down till you see where it says, fill in your details to apply and work with us. I want you to click on it, and you will be brought to this page. Whilst on this page, I want you to scroll down, and you will see a form that you need to fill in with your information. Please, it's important that you don't use fake information, give genuine information. And here is how you are supposed to fill up this form. Start by accepting their privacy policy by clicking on this small box. Once you are done, put in your first name, your last name. If, for example, your name is John Adams, then go ahead and write your full name. Then type in your full email address, in other words, your Gmail address, the one you use on Google. Once you are done with your email, put in your contact number, select your country of residence, and as you can see, they are accepting anyone from around the globe. After that, put in the zip code of your country. If you don't know the zip code of your country, just head over to Google and type in, what is the zip code for, e.g. Canada, or the United States, depending on the country you want the zip code for. Once you have entered the zip code, under the preferred job title, I want you to put in, online language translation. On what time is best for you to work? I want you to choose all day, as this will allow you to receive lots of projects, hence more money in your pocket and your bank account. On payment options, I want you to choose one that is convenient for you. As you can see, they offer many options to choose from. I'll just go with PayPal for the sake of this tutorial. On current professional status, I want you to choose unemployed, even if you are, because this will also increase your chances of acceptance, as this will show that you will be available 24/7 to do the work upon delivery. After that, scroll down and check this box which shows that you have read through and have accepted the terms of the statement given above. As for the signature, if, for example, your name is John Adams, then just write J. Adams. When you are done, click here to confirm that you are not a robot and submit your form. Once you have submitted your form and followed every instruction given in this tutorial, you are surely bound to get accepted, and you can start making paper. Now, assuming you get accepted, let me show you some tools that will allow you to speak more than 100 languages without learning them literally. Just like I told you at the start of this video.
I have your back.
So once you get accepted, which I think you will, you might receive your first translation job that may look something like this. Which will include how much you should expect to earn, target language, which is the language you are supposed to translate to. It could be from English to Dutch, Chinese to Spanish, or from Irish to English. Whatever the case, don't worry, because yours truly is there for you all the way, so relax. Once you have received your first project, let us use the third one as an example to see how you can go about solving the assignment. So in this project, you are required to speak, or rather translate from Irish to English. And since we are getting paid on an expert level, we are going to earn $36 for just one page of 300 words. Now if we were to translate 26 pages, which can be done in less than an hour, and you will agree with me soon, we can easily earn up to $936, and if we did 30 pages, we can see from our calculator that one can make well up to $1,080 with little effort. Okay, let us now see how we can quickly translate from Irish to English. I'm going to show you 3 simple websites that can allow you to speak lots of languages. I want you to open up your browser and type in Google Translate. Once you click enter, you are going to see that it will be on the first page. Now right from here you can easily tell just how many languages Google will allow you to speak as you scroll down. It's well over 100. To translate, copy the text that needs to be translated, in this case our Irish transcript, and paste it on this first section, and choose the language that you want it to be translated to, and thus English. The thing is, even if you don't know the language you have been given to translate, Google can easily detect the language for you. As you can see, it takes less than 10 seconds to translate to another language. Taking this into consideration, you can imagine just how much one can earn per day. Google is just one of the platforms you can use to translate. You can also use a website like Bing.com. As you can see, it's also capable of translating a bunch of languages. Just choose what you want to translate, and there you have it, it's done. Reverso.net is also another great website you can use to translate, as they offer several languages to choose from as well. There are many more sites you can use to translate your script out there, you just need to look them up on Google. So once the transcript has been translated to your desired language, you can go ahead and copy the translation and submit it as quickly as possible so that you can receive more and more work and make lots of money. Once you have submitted your work, sit back, enjoy a cup of coffee, and await as cash starts to flow in. And that is all.
Mission accomplished.
Thank you for sticking around until the end, but before we go, to see more videos on how to make money online, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell icon, like the video, and also leave a comment for any questions or suggestions. See you in the next video. All links to the websites used in this tutorial are in the video description below. And don't say I will subscribe to the channel tomorrow.
No! What are you waiting for? Just do it!
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Do it!